takes the right, and is down. Yellow and white are up. Splits the peak. Red currently in priority, paddling for this one. White, you have first priority, followed by blue. White has first priority. Second priority is Surfer in blue. Surfer, you guys have 17 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Everyone's got one wave. Blue is up. White, you still have first priority, followed by Surfer in yellow. We'd also like to thank Smart Communications as our sponsors and PLDT. Blue is up, taking the right. Gets that cut back to the power source of the wave. All right, time check. You guys have 15 minutes and 15 seconds remaining in this heat. Currently in first place is Surfer in red with a score of 2. Surfer in, currently in first place. They're updating the scores. Currently in first place with a score of 5.25 is Surfer in blue. Surfer in blue, your last wave was a 3.25. Surfer in red, you are sitting in second place with a score of 2. You need a 3.26 to grab first place. Surfer in yellow, you have a score of 1.5 and you're currently sitting in third place. You need a 1.5 to advance. Surfer in white, you have a score of 1. Special thank you to our Coast Guard, MDRMC, of course Barangay Balawi, and the LGU of Pagudpud. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting this event. Priority is with Surfer in white. Surfer in white, you have first priority, followed by Surfer in yellow, then Surfer in red, then Surfer in blue. Yellow is looking at this wave. Yellow is paddling. Oh, doesn't get it. Yellow lost priority on that wave. Minutes and 35 seconds remaining in this heat. Blue, you are still in first with a score of 5.25. Red, you are in second with a score of 2. You need a 3.26 to grab first place. Yellow, you have a score of 1.5 and you need a 0.51 to advance. White, you need a score of 1 to advance. You're currently in fourth. Still with Surfer in white, followed by Surfer in red, then Surfer in blue. You guys have 12 minutes remaining. 12 minutes. White with priority looks like he's going to paddle for this one. White is up with priority. Blue is up as well and takes the right on this wave. Priorities with red, followed by Surfer in yellow. 11 minutes remaining, surfers. 11 minutes remaining. Surfer in yellow, time remaining is 10.30. 10 minutes and 25 seconds remaining in this heat. You are currently in third and need a 0.51 to advance. Yellow sits at first priority, followed by white, followed by Surfer in blue. Surfer in blue, you are currently sitting in first place. Your last wave was a 3, giving you a total score of 6.25. In second place is Surfer in white with a total score of 3.25. Surfer in red, your total score is 2.5 and you need a 1.26 to advance. Surfer in yellow needs a 1.76 to advance. Red is up. Yellow is still sitting in first priority, followed by Surfer in white and Surfer in blue. First, you have 8 minutes and 55 seconds remaining in this heat. Yellow, you lose priority on that paddle. White, you have first priority, followed by blue. time check. Surfer in blue, you guys have 7 minutes and 55 seconds remaining in this heat. You are still sitting in first place with 6.25. White is paddling. White is up. Blue with priorities paddling for this wave. Blue is up, gets it. Yellow, you have first priority followed by red. Scores are in. Surfer in red, your last wave was a 2.5, which puts you in second place with a total score of 4.5. White, you need a 2.26 to advance. You are currently in third. Yellow, you need a 3 to advance. 6 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. The next heat, heat number 4 for the men's open shortboard, is Rainy Perry Ventura, Mark Espinosa, Carl Andoline Grospe, and Rohel Queja. Please approach the beach marshals to get your jerseys. Yellow is paddling, yellow is up. Takes the right. Priority is now in red, and red is up. Under priority. Blue, you are currently in first priority, followed by white. Surfers, you have 5 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Blue, you lost priority in that paddle. White, you can now have first priority. Surfers, 5 minutes remaining. Surfers, you have 5 minutes remaining. The next heat can now paddle out. Just please steer clear of the competition area and stay on the shoulders. Thank you so much. Red is paddling, red is up. White is up as well. Three minutes and 30 remaining, surfers. Surfer in blue, you are currently still sitting in first place with a score of 6.25, while surfer in red with a total score of 5.5 is at second place. Surfer in white, you are in third and needing a 3.25 to advance. Surfer in yellow, you need a 4 to advance because you're currently in fourth place. You guys have 3 minutes left in this heat. 3 minutes left to get your waves. Blue, you still have first priority. Yellow is up on the inside and is down. Surfers, you have 2 minutes remaining in this heat. Blue still with the lead. Red in second. Blue, you need a score of 3.65 to advance. White, you need a score of 3.9 to advance. Red, you're currently sitting in second. Your last wave was a 3.05. Your total score is 6.05 right now. Blue has priority, followed by Surfer in white and Surfer in red. Surfer in blue's paddling with priority, but loses his priority on that paddle. Hey, you now have first priority. And you need a 3.65 with 50 seconds remaining. Again, White, you need a 3.65 to advance. You have priority, followed by Surfer in red, followed by Surfer in blue. 40 seconds remaining, Surfers, 40 seconds. Surfers, White is paddling, White is up. Ten seconds remaining, Surfers, 10 seconds remaining. Two, one.
Ladies and gentlemen, Philippine Tourism Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco.
Marag sakana, unay nga ada ita ditoy Ilocos Norte.
Masaya po ang bayan ng Pagudpud, ma'am, sir. Etong regalo ninyo sa ating maagang pamasko, ma'am.
Pumunta po ako dito, kasama ko yung buong leadership natin sa Department of Tourism para po i-relay sa inyo kung gaano kaseryoso yung intention natin.
Ken naragsak a Pasko kada tayo amin Ilocos Norte.
pleasant morning to each and everyone po sa inyo lahat and welcome to our TRA groundbreaking ceremony for today.
Tonight is really a special night, not only because it is a night that we are together, because we have wonderful visitors that will truly experience the warmth of the Ilocano Christmas.
We dance through the night in our bones, we can feel it.
Through the establishment of the tourist rest area, we can signal a very bright future indeed for Ilocos Norte.
We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up. Eyes open wide in the world.
We are here today to launch the tourism rest area for the province of Ilocos Norte, to utilize tourism as a major economic pillar for the recovery of the Philippines.
We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up.
Ilocos Norte will finally be put on the map in terms of regional tourism, and we look forward to partnering with DOT and TIESA to do so.
And we join you in celebrating the hope and the joy of the Christmas season.
.25 is Surfer in white, followed by Surfer in red with a score of 4.0. Surfer in yellow, you're in third and needing a 1.76 to advance. Your current score is a 2.25. That's your first wave, 2.25.
So far we've got 4.50 for the highest wave in this heat by Surfer in white. That's his first wave, Carl, and this is very important to take note of so that the surfers will know what the judges are actually looking for to win this heat. Just want to shout out to those who are watching us live. If you want to watch us live, just type on Pilipinas Surfing on YouTube. And there's a live chat there too. If you guys, who do you think will win this heat? Let us know. Let us know. Yellow up and riding.
White with priority is now paddling for this wave. If you want to watch your favorite local surfers, you guys can tune in to YouTube. Just type Philippines Surfing, and we're currently live here in Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte, for the first leg of the Pilipinas Surfing circuit.
Yeah, you can use your live chat there too. If you guys are into your surfers and they're all out there in the lineup, let us know who you think will win, especially in this heat. We've got news out there, Carl, also with our local surfer in Australia. Really good competitive heat he had, but unfortunately JR Esquivel drops out at the equal 9th place. But again, he adds up 3,322 points. Still has a chance for that top 8. So we are hoping to have a good result in El Salvador. Again, we are so proud of you, JR. We're all here.
Super proud.
You're a product of this competition. You are now out there, and we want more people to be out in the international scene. Of course, with the help of our coaches here at UPSA, Ian Sagwan and the rest contributing to that success. So hopefully we will have more surfers in the international scene, Carl.
And I think it's the long game of UPSA is to find the next talent to bring to the international stage and follow JR's footsteps.
That's it. We're trying to improve each and every step, trying to follow all the programs and making sure that we are at par for the international events. And of course, even our local provincial events we're trying to build up so that they'll be ready for the nationals. And then after the nationals, hopefully they'll be ready for the international. It starts off with the tower, with the UPSA program. And so far, they're really doing a really good job. The judges all doing pretty well, man. Look at this beautiful place here at Pagudpud.